Alright, today we're going to bring a chandelier, and this is how it comes. Pretty much you got to assemble it yourself. Plenty of string. Now, they do give you these, but they have an extension too if you want to extend these, alright? A little longer. Some G9 light bulbs, alright? To shine these up. So we're going to set these up and see how it looks at night and see how beautiful it looks. Alright, so I just assembled the whole thing here because it's not heavy, it's really light. Now, I didn't put the light bulbs or anything, that's why it's so light, but all you got to do is remember that you have hot, neutral, which is live, is the live, hot, neutral, and then you have a ground, all right? So all three need to be connected, and you have a long cable, and they do give you extensions for the actual pole. So if you have high ceilings, you don't have to worry about that. They give you a lot of them. So they're on here. So if you want to make it as long as you want, this is it right here. It's going to look beautiful, but we don't need all of them. All right, so it didn't take me that long to actually set this up. It was very light. The hardest thing was finding the actual little holes in there to actually tie it up, and that's about it. I assembled everything on the floor and just took it up, screwed it in, and that's pretty much it. Here's the chandelier without the actual crystals. It's really light. The crystals are going to add a couple pounds, so just be aware. And I'm testing it out right now. Every single light's turning on. So we got everything set up. All we got to do is set up the actual crystal balls, which is the glass balls, and that's it. All right, twisting them, simple. Look how simple it is to twist them out. To twist them on, right?
Okay, turning on the template.
All right, so we finally finished it. If you guys could see, beautiful crystal lights, right? And now every single light is lit up. I didn't have any issues setting it up, but look how elegant, beautiful. It's gonna give you a good ambiance to your living room, your kitchen, your main entrance. This is a beautiful chandelier. Now, light bulbs are not included. One great thing I like about this unit is that they included an extra crystal ball. In case one of them breaks or something happens, you have an extra one here. All the light bulbs, I purchased them separately, and I was able to get one all in one box. They're gonna last me for quite a while. They're LED lights. Setup was very simple. You could extend these even longer if you want. If it's up to optional to extend them so long, or shorten them if you want. That's an option. If you have high ceiling, this is perfect.